Turn off the water at the shutoff valve before you touch the supply line to stop unexpected flooding. Start by locating the correct shutoff valve for the fixture and turn it fully clockwise until it stops. After the valve is closed, open the fixture, such as the toilet tank or faucet, to relieve pressure and drain water from the line. Place a towel under the connection and position a small bucket to catch residual drips. Microfiber towels absorb faster and reduce spill risk. Use a wrench to loosen the coupling nut slowly, turning a quarter of a turn at a time and watching for any trapped water that may still escape. If the line is older or shows corrosion, support the pipe and the fixture while you work to avoid stressing the fittings. Once the nut is off, tip the line into the bucket to drain fully and cap or plug the open fitting immediately to prevent contamination and pests from entering the plumbing. People often forget to fully relieve pressure after closing the valve, which leads to spurting when the line is loosened. So always open the fixture first and verify no flow. Another common issue is neglecting to support aging lines and fittings, which causes breaks when you apply torque. So stabilize the pipe and use two tools to counterhold. A third mistake is using the wrong size tool and rounding nuts, which makes removal harder. So match your wrench to the flat surfaces and apply steady, controlled force. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real experiences and tips about home repairs like waterline disconnection. We help contractors find jobs by listing projects and fostering community conversations so both homeowners and professionals can learn from each other.